again.
Our awesome $800 computer.
800. What? Oh, that's awesome. That's not even fair.
Then you just got lazy.
Okay, our motherboard is a Gigabyte Z77 DH3. We got three PSI slots, PSIe video slots, USB 3.0x4, onboard NVIDIA, features Crossfire support, and 1155 socket. The motherboard fits the case, supports all of our video and sound cards and peripherals. Memory DDR3 1600, amount 4 gigabytes, type Corsair, fan Zalman CNP 9500. Some of the best RAM cards, supports maximum memory. The fan is high powered, cools better, and moves faster.
Okay. Our Intel Core processor is an i5 3570. The socket is 22 mm. Our speed, we got super speed here at 3.4 gigahertz. It fits with our motherboard and it supports all our gaming requirements.
We got the hard drive. It's a Seagate single drive. The size is 1 terabyte, and the speed is 720 RPM, and the cache is 32 megabytes. The reason why we got it is for good storage, fast speed, and the big games need a lot of memory. We also got an optical drive, and we use it for our CDs and DVD pleasures, and to use for faster installs. We also got an NVIDIA GeForce GT 630 as our video card with 2 gigabytes of built-on memory and an output dual-link DVI port. And for our sound card, we got XFI titanium HD sound card, and it features HD. We got the graphics card for super gaming and the high frames per second, and we got the sounds because it's incredible.
Okay. Our gaming case is a Chimera Inferno 4 SE. It is a gaming case. You see, it got 4 expansion bays. The features, it looks awesome. That's one of the reasons we got it. Look at that thing. It fits with our motherboard and it has room to expand. Our power supply is cheap, but it does the job. You got your standard Logitech DA. 350 watts, that's what I'm saying. Connector type ATX.
Our system total comes to $791.84.
Still got money.
Yeah, but